It's a new 2022 Volvo XC60. When it comes to comfort, convenience, and safety, it comes with more of what the others wish for. You'll look forward to every drive with features like these: intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine, 4-wheel drive, integrated navigation system with voice activation, Wi-Fi hotspot, driver and passenger memory seats, auto-dimming rearview mirror, streaming audio, memory exterior door mirror settings, manual tilting steering column, front and rear parking sensors, and multi-zone climate control. Built to make your life easier, safer, and better, it's the Volvo way. Someone is going to drive this fantastic vehicle off the lot. It should be you. Test drive it today.
Call, click, or visit us today. We're conveniently located at 4455 South College Avenue in Fort Collins, Colorado, or online anytime at petersontoyota.com.